Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to potentially improve your wireless connection. The first thing you need to do is, if you're using a Windows PC, just go and look for a tool called Wi-Fi Analyzer and Scanner. You can download it from the Microsoft Store. There's a few others, but this is the one I've used. It's free and it does the job. So when you start it up, and the tool will scan for all the wireless networks, and it will show you the signal strength. So green means good, and it'll also show you what's important is this here, which is the channel. So the channel is what is the wireless is using for that connection. As you can see, there's some wireless connections that are overlapping, so they're using the same channel. And especially if you've got set to auto on your wireless router or wireless device, then it will basically pick up any channel that is available, but sometimes it will overlap. So in this case, on this channel 6, which is also used by another channel or couple of channels here, so that might potentially cause some interference. So what you should do is you can change the channel ID. So this is for the 2.4 gigahertz networks, and on the 5 gigahertz networks you can also see that there's a few that are using the same channel. I believe channel 36 is the first channel that you can use on the 5.5 gigahertz network, and that's potentially why it's using that for these couple of channels. It's a couple of wireless. What you've got to do is go to your wireless router or wireless device, and under wireless you'll see here that on the 2.4 gigahertz the channel is set to 6. You can also set it to auto, but if you know that it's not using a particular channel, so if I'm using 10, and if you've looked here, 10 is being used, so that's no good. So I'll pick a higher number. So it looks like channel 12 is not 11 and 12. So what I'll do is I'll pick channel 12, and then also on the 5 gigahertz set to auto, and these are the selections. So currently it picked up 36. So what I'll do is I'll increase it to maybe 112. Let's see if 112 is being used, and 112 is not being used at all. So I'm going to pick that, and then I'm going to hit apply. And then what we'll see is that the wireless networks disappeared because it's reconfiguring it, and there it came back up. So that's channel 12, and as you can see, channel 12 is also not being used by any of the other networks. And we'll wait for the 5 gigahertz, and there you go. This other one here is channel 112, and there's no other networks that are using the same channel. And hopefully this would have helped with your wireless connection. Here we go, and here 112. So what we know now is that if this video helped you in any way, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel.